Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a blank USB of at least 8 GB and using a working Windows 10 machine. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Click Create a Recovery Drive. When the Recovery Drive tool opens, make sure to check Backup System Files to the recovery drive. This copies the necessary Windows image, so you can reinstall if needed. Once done, select the USB, click Next, and let the tool download and write files. This is the only way to produce a full recovery USB. Once the tool starts, it formats the USB, so be sure you saved any important data beforehand. The process copies system files and may take from 10 minutes to an hour depending on USB speed and your PC. While it runs, don't unplug the drive. Interruptions can corrupt the image. When the progress finishes, open File Explorer and confirm the drive contains a recovery folder and a Windows directory. If the tool shows Ready, you now have a bootable recovery USB you can rely on. Now test the drive. Plug it into the target PC, then access BIOS or the UEFI boot menu, usually F12, ESC, or Dell, and choose the USB to boot. Once booted, pick Troubleshoot, then Recover from a drive, and follow the prompts to reinstall or repair Windows. This restores system files and settings as needed. Make sure to back up personal files before reinstall. If the PC won't boot from the USB, recreate the recovery drive on another port, try a different USB stick, and repeat the creation steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.